Come in.
Good morning, I'm the doctor.
I beg your pardon?
And I'm here to give you a vasectomy.
I've got an important client waiting outside.
Really?
Get away from there.
I'm here to perform a vasectomy.
Come back here. What's all this about?
Well, it's about me giving you a vasectomy.
Is this for real?
No, April Fool.
But it's December.
Oh, well, any time's a good time for a vasectomy.
Look, I don't want you to give me a you-know-what.
Vasectomy.
Please be quiet.
Oh, how about I give you an appendectomy instead?
No.
Tonsillectomy?
No.
How about I just pierce your ears?
What?
You know, give you a lobotomy.
Look, I don't have time for this foolishness.
Well, perhaps if I came back in 90 seconds and then slit open your chestal cavity and reposition certain of your vital organs violently.
I'm sorry?
You know, move your liver to where your spleen is, swap over your lungs and lower your pancreas a couple of feet.
I don't think so.
A change is as good as a holiday.
You must be mad.
Ooh, must I? Well, if you insist. Gerbil, Gratic Nimbly Photon.
Shut up, shut up.
Now, about this vasectomy, look, I've got a penknife here, and if I can just borrow these scissors...
Look, I don't think you're even a real doctor.
Well, I'm keen on do-it-yourself and eager to experiment.
Look, you cannot give me a vasectomy.
Why not?
Because I'm a woman. I'm the one you did a sex change operation on last week.